Gabe, so where are we going next?
How about we go right there, up there in the clouds?
All the way up there?
Yup.
Dude, that's... Are you sure about this?
Yep, we're fine.
Okay. So we are getting ready to go up Allen Peak, the tram that they used in the Olympics.
2002?
I believe so. Woo!
Howdy.
Hi.
How you doing? Good, how are you? Good.
Good. Here we go, boys.
You ready for some ice up in there?
Yeah.
Just be careful, it's gonna be ice.
Yeah. You're good, Josh.
We'll be doing this. So welcome to the Allen Peak Tram. Unmarked hazards exist. This tram service is only black and double black diamonds, and there's no green or blue. You can ride this lift, the tram back down if you'd like. Please all read the posted signs and do not ski or board outside the closed areas. And if you do and you're injured, they will rescue you, but they will bill you for it. So any other questions you can call Ski Patrol.
Okay.
See you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. It's gonna be icy, yo.
Basically what he told us is,
Don't be stupid.
you hurt yourself, it's gonna cost a lot.
Well, unless you, the only reason it will cost you is if you got a van at the other side of the mountain.
Ah, yeah.
Totally.
Yeah. But this is gonna be,
I'm not allowed to take my crap
it's
off.
gonna be a really icy.
Yes.
Just arrived at the top. Gotta put my glove on.
Oh, look at all that ice, bro.
Yeah, I got cold last night. Know that for sure.
I think it might be slippery. Who knows?
Just don't fall off that
Ooh,
side.
it's
of the
windy,
cliff.
yo.
What?
It's really windy. Hello. Hi there. Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, it's windy up here. Holy crap. Wow, it's
That whistle.
listen. Yeah, listen to it. Hold on,
That's so satisfying.
dude. That's scary. And on the other side, fall. There's no way back up. So careful not to fall. Remember that, Gabe. Don't fall.
We're in a cloud right now, dude.
Yeah, I know. So after, ow! So after, I just keep on sitting on ice. It does not feel good. So this is actually really cool because you'll go down, and right as you'll exit the cloud and be able to see the entire resort. After you. So this is a double black. Look how steep this is as Gabe goes down. Woo. that hurt. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Off of it. That was a little weird. Holy crap. This is icy. Yeah, maybe not. What? I can't hear you.
There's a lodge out there where you get a beautiful view as well. Yo, look at that view.
Yeah, this is a great view, and then you can see is that Wildcat?
Yeah, it's Wildcat.
Okay. So yeah, here in a little bit we're gonna cut back over past the trail and into more trees, which we hope we can find some powder.
Powder and jump.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Gabe's down there. So we're gonna cut over here. And where's the flat part now? Go down this way. Got over this little bridge that connects it. Need some speed to cut over the flat part. And this is where Gabe last time did a belly flop onto this hill and slid down it on his stomach. Wasn't icy. Go to the right. Oh yeah, I know this part. Cut back to the right, jump, come back down, get some speed. That was crap. First gonna drop it down. This one kind of sucks. And the one we want down here a little bit more. Right here. So, let's see right here. Woo! Nice little method. Now we're gonna watch what Gabe does. Or he's gonna get a feel for the jump first.
My back stuck into something and pulled me and died.
Oh, that sucks.
I got caught in something.
I'll follow you on the rock jump down here a little bit. That does not look that clean of a jump right now. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Holy crap.
I know.
How close I fall. Nobody's coming out of the train part. I don't know why I'm looking downhill, so I'm not going down there. It's sticking out a little further. Dang it, I missed it. This looks like a good jump. Wow! Holy crap, I've never done that before. It's getting hot out here. Maybe Gabe had the right idea just wearing a thin jacket. this. So this time we're going back to the gondola. I'm pretty sure I know what Gabe wants to do. Pretty sure he wants to bomb Sweet Revenge, going as fast as we can. So that's usually what we go out to gondola for.